So we've all seen this towel all over our For You page, and I'm gonna test it out, see what it does, and see if it's worth the hype. Let's hit it from the back. Whoa, you guys see that? That's completely dry with just one swipe. This drying towel actually does what it says it does. This stuff is actually magic. I don't even know how they made this towel. If you guys want to check this out for yourself, if you guys want to cut down your car washing time in minutes, I'll have it linked right down there for you guys to check out.